Welcome to the 12th edition of the International Engineering Sourcing Show. I'm Sibi, partner and co-founder of CNV Engineering. We just planned to cover the event. We just got over with the inauguration ceremony. Let's see what is happening. We are at the Innoprom main industrial trade fair stall at Russia. Let's hear from them what they do. Your name and
My name is Alina, and I represent organizing committee of International Industrial Trade Fair Innoprom. Today, Innoprom is the leading and the key platform for international industrial, international industrial trade show. We are leading in the market not only for Russia and CIS, but also for Central Asia as well. We have more participants from more than 60 countries already. And we are here to come back to our partnership with EPEC India, who participated at Innoprom several years ago already with national expositions. So here we have just signed the strategic MOU and strategic partnership with EPEC India. So hope that in 2025, when Innoprom trade show will take place in Russia, in the city of Yekaterinburg in July, we will see many participants from India, so from MSMEs and from big companies as well.
thank you so much for taking the time. Thank you. So I'm with Mr. Dennis of Business Gateways International. It's a Oman supplier sourcing ecosystem. Let's hear from him what he has to say.
We are primarily from a company's name is Business Gateways. So if you ask me what we do is we handle the entire procurement for the oil and gas industry in Oman. So as you know, Oman is oil and gas rich. So the Ministry of Oil and Gas in Oman has come out with this unique procurement system called the JSRS. So JSRS stands for the Joint Supplier Registration System. So any company, national or international, who wants to sell their product or services to the oil and gas industry has to be JSRS certified.
Yeah, how the B2B meetings, interactions and
Yeah, in fact, we had actually brought around 5 Omani companies from the likes of OQ, Daril Petroleum, 5 Omani delegates we had actually brought from Oman. And it was a very good interacting system. They found it very useful and fruitful as well.
I think this was their first time also.
Exactly. So, and it was a good event overall.
Yeah. Thank you so much, sir. If somebody wants to get onboarded, what is the procedure in a nutshell?
All you have to do is visit businessgateways.com. So once you visit Business Gateway, you have a registration process. You register yourself, and then there is a certification after that happens during the registration. So we ask you for your company's your credentials, your CR documents, your product. How do you deal with your products? Are you a manufacturer or agent? Then we give you a provision to create your entire cataloging system of your profile.
Online itself.
Everything is online. So these are the engineering companies with the likes of L&T, the likes of Gulfars, all these engineering companies who are called as EPCs.
Right.
So we have around 300 plus EPCs who have been available with us, and around live around 8,000 plus suppliers, and most of them are from Oman, Middle East. So if you're looking out for any business opportunities, any to partners with someone, this would be the ideal way.
Great. Thank you so much.
Pleasure.
Have
a nice time.
Thank you. So I'm here at DENFAB with Ms. Mitali. Can you explain more about what your company does, where you're from, and the expo experience?
Hi, so we are DENFAB Consulting Engineers Private Limited. We are based at Mumbai, and we are into simulation services. That is our major vertical, wherein we offer CFT and FEA services. That is critical analysis is what we do, and that is one of our verticals. Another vertical of ours deals with we are into designing as well. So we design static equipments, PEB structures, as well as boiler parts, process equipments, etc. And the thing you see here, that is another vertical of ours, wherein we act as an outsourcing partner for our international clients. So we have manufacturing partners who supply these things to us, and we act as a platform basically.
Okay.
Okay, and another vertical of
I
ours.
think that is the main reason why you're exhibiting here.
So this is the main reason why we are exhibiting here.
Okay.
Simulation services is what. So basically, this is what helps you in new product development as well as the existing products.
Okay.
So for new product development, we help companies create a digital prototype first before creating a physical prototype.
Yeah. Okay.
So that helps you save time and cost, as well as in case of aerospace and automotive, that helps you enhance safety.
Right.
That is what we do. And for existing products, we help you analyze stress, as well as in case of any failures or something, we help you optimize the design.
This is a service.
Yes, this is a service.
Okay.
So we have in-house team built for
Right.
specifically this service.
For people that don't know what CFD is, it's computational fluid dynamics.
Yes.
So just putting it out there.
Yeah. Okay. And yes, this is another one of our verticals.
Okay.
So we are into offshore development as well.
Right.
And we supply teams for our international clients for core engineering as well as IT services.
Right.
Okay.
How has been the expo experience so far?
Yeah, it was great. So we just generated around, I guess, 10 to 12 inquiries, which might be just direct a little conversation, and we'll
How
get
was the
into that.
B2B meetings and all?
B2B meetings, they were great. We generated some more inquiries there as well.
Right.
Yes, so we are into this business since last 20 years.
Okay.
We have clients across 16 countries. So yes, it went well.
Okay. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
We're at RINAC India Limited with Mr. Soji Abraham. Let's hear from them what they do.
We are the leading EPC who sets up food parks, food processing, complete solution we provide, and warehouses, cold storages, transport refrigeration. These are our major portfolios. When we talk about food processing, recent one what we have completed is for Singapore Airlines, taking a service. We have done a plant in Bangalore which processes 1,75,000 meals per day. We freeze online. So it is frozen and it is available in 1 kg rice, 1 kg curry, like that. We are currently doing a project in Maldives, which is we freeze 325 tons of fish per day, 4,000 tons storage. And we work from Senegal. We have 4 factories. We have in Mumbai and Bangalore, covered all over India. We have large clientele, and we help people to freeze products or preserve products for a long term.
So you do both a fixed location as well as mobile, also cold storage.
Fixed location, when we say fixed location, smaller cold storage for distribution to larger for mother storage. That means one location we'll have, see that behind that white, that one is 47,000 tons in one location. How does it go? It goes in transport, refrigerated vehicles. Those are this. So we send it through we manufacture this. So it moves through refrigerated transport and reaches to smaller cold storages like this.
Right.
Or like that. So if you go inside, you can easily reach, where the product is kept. Its visibility is good. And for large storage, mobile racking, shuttle racking, or ASRS, depending on the number of dispatches or how the movement is. Depending on that, we decide.
Thank you so much, sir. That was really interesting. Thank you for your time. Wish you all the best for the expo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I'm Prakash.
Yeah. Please explain about your company. Where are you from and what do you do?
So we are a vertically integrated aluminum extrusion company based in Bhubaneswar, Khurda, which is in the state of Odisha. Right from sourcing raw material to making billets, then to extrusions, and then doing the final integration of powder coating, anodization, or any kind of surface finish, we do that all in-house in our factory in Bhubaneswar.
Yeah.
Most of our products are catered towards architectural side, which is the doors, windows, facade industry, and also we have some products which are catered towards engineering-based industry, towards solar industry, towards motors, pumps, electronics. We have a direct MOU with a drone manufacturing company with the defense sector. So we have done a lot of work with the government of India as well, and as well as in the industrial side of the aluminum mix.
Right. Can you explain a bit more about your solar projects?
Yeah, solar industry, we are we have a fully integrated aluminum extrusion line that does the complete frame manufacturing,
Okay.
right, to the fully finished form, which goes directly on the modules. We work with a large OEMs. We cannot name because of
course.
confidentiality.
Yeah.
So a lot of OEMs we have been supplying for the past 2 years, and now we have jumped into the venture of doing some kind of hardware fabrication as well. So which is used for the erection and mounting of the modules itself.
Right, sir. How's the expo?
This is our first time participating in IESS, and this is the first engineering fair that I've come to.
Okay.
The good part about it is we meet a lot of like-minded people here.
Correct.
So people who are from
Our
the
industry,
industry, to cater towards industrial goods and towards engineering services.
Yes.
Very niche market and a niche expo where we talk to a lot of engineers and product development people. So that is a very good opportunity for us to come and sit down with all the like-minded people and share our
More
products,
speak our language.
speak our language, do what we do, and know where we can further develop our products to cater to the market demands. So
Correct.
that is where we are looking at. Also, the response we got from the overseas buyers is fairly nice for us. We had never got an opportunity to talk to overseas buyers directly.
In one point, so many people.
Yeah, getting 60 odd countries to come together and look at our products, so which is kind of nice for us.
Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We're at Vinir Engineering Private Limited. Let's hear on what they do. My name is Santosh. I am from Vinir Engineering. So we do forgings from starting 1 kg to 1500 kg in closed die and up to 6 ton in open die forgings. We do all sector from oil and gas, earth moving, defense, aerospace, we do all sector. So that is our main core business. Where are these forgings used for, sir? Mainly used for oil industries. Where do they dig the oil, no? So there and earth moving, they use in earth moving sector, aerospace sector, defense sector. We do all sectors. What is the maximum size you've done so far? Size in the sense in weight range we did up to 6 ton. So that is our capacity. Single forged 6 ton. Right. Wishing you all the best. Thank you. We are at AR4Tech Private Limited with Mr. Ram Hari. He is the business development manager. Let's understand from them what they do.
Hi, we here in AR4Tech, we deals with retrofitting in which the old vehicle has turned into a new life. We convert that into 100% electric, and from that we have moved to another level where we convert all petrol vehicles into a electric one. Now we are sitting into a Tata Ace, which is a load carrying vehicle that we have converted into a passenger vehicle for in-campus purpose. So by this way we can customize any vehicle into electric one. We have converted a tractor, we have converted a wheelbarrow or a load carrying vehicle into electric, and then we also offer courses on electric vehicles and its conversion, and basic details on electric vehicles and e-mobility. We give training, and then we give them a proper certification so that they'll get a new job in this upcoming EV market.
Where are you based out of?
Coimbatore.
You don't have any RTO issues in this because of retrofitting conversions and all?
For that scenario, we have taken a homologation certification under ARAI. We have got ARA approved kits for some specific vehicles. For example, we have kit for Honda Activa, which is commonly used. And for that conversion, we'll get a RTO endorsement. So the number board will be changed into electric. So similar way, we have Honda Activa, Suzuki Access, TVS Zest, and for a new vehicle of conversion, we have approached for Splendor and Pulsar. It's on process.
Thank you, sir. Wish you all the best. Thank you so much. Thank you. Mr. Arjun of Hydroprotech. Let's hear from them what they do.
This is the iron worker machine. In this you can do is the punching in plates, angles and channels. Here you can see your angle at 90 degree and 45 degree both. This is 90 degree, this is the 45 degree. This is for profile shearing, C channel, I beam, square bar, round bars, and every ISMC, ISMB channels. This is for plate shearing.
Okay.
And here you can do is the notching, like the rectangle or V-type notch.
Where are you based out of?
Rajkot, Gujarat.
Okay. How was the expo for the past 3 days? Okay.
Yeah, not as the previous year.
Not as the previous is.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Sajjan. It's just nice talking to you. Yeah. We are at the Electrical Research and Development Association with Mr. Ashish and Mr. Pradeep. Let's hear on what they do. We basically provide services to electrical industries and utilities. We are basically into certification and testing of all electrical components and appliances. Basically, we offer customized solution to customers for any specific requirement of theirs. That much from R&D side, and Mr. Pradeep will elaborate you on testing solution.
Basically, we used to test more than 135 products, and yearly we used to test more than 10,000 samples. And we are having a customer base almost every utility in India. We used to cater the services, either directly or indirectly, and mostly almost every product will be tested from ERDA for the certification purposes.
This is a government organization. You're a private organization.
It is an autonomous body, and it is under Society Act. There is a managing committee who is it will be decision will be taken by the managing committee. We used to get from the government itself. We are under autonomous body.
Thank you, gentlemen, for so much for your time.
Thank you.
I'm with Mrs. Shivashankari of Sodion Energy. Let's hear from them what they do.
So first in India that we are doing manufacturing of the sodium battery pack here. Of course, we do import the cells and we do battery pack manufacture. Here this unit is being used for as an inbuilt batteries with the inverters. Okay, it comes in the two formats. One is on the wall mount type and one comes as the portable type.
Okay.
It has been inbuilt along with the battery. The another specialty of this inverter is it has the 5C discharging ability. Sodium batteries has a 5C discharging ability. That means we can utilize for any inductive loads.
Okay.
Inductive loads in terms of domestic pathing, it can be used for geyser operations, aircon operations, and then iron box, which some other inverters definitely would not be able to do so.
Right, cool.
That it takes both the inputs from the grid and as well as from the solar panels. So next thing is on the impact part. Even if you get accidents with the vehicle, your battery will work nicely. That is on the third major thing.
That doesn't have issues in space.
Talk about little
In terms of mobility, if you are using it for mobility, it occupies more space.
Yes, it occupies more space and little more weight by the way.
Okay.
That is the constraint here with when compared with the LFP and with the
I think that is as of now. Maybe as the technology matures, you'll have better solutions.
solutions by the way.
Yeah.
Of it.
How was the expo experience so far?
Well, we have good people who are from Kenya and then from Cameroon. We have few visits, maybe converted to their business.
Yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am, for
Very much.
your time. Yeah. We are with Mr. Vishnu Prasad of Aram Technologies from Coimbatore. Let's hear more on what they do. Hi, sir.
Hi sir, good evening. I am Vishnu Prasad, Accelerating for Agri Missions. We are making wheelbarrows and electric mini trolleys. It is using for battery operator and hub motor. It's very useful applications for construction, agriculture and industries fields also.
Okay. What and all sizes do you have of your product? Where and all is your, other than agri and construction, where and all can this be applied?
Industries, warehouse, logistics, based upon the customer requirements also.
You make custom made
Customization
sizes also.
Yeah.
And what is it is automated, it's electrified, or what is the difference between the conventional wheelbarrow and your wheelbarrow? What technology do you use in this?
Used for hub motor and battery.
Okay, so it is easier for people to. Okay. Great, sir. How's been the response so far? EPC.
It's okay.
Okay. You got any good inquiries?
Good inquiries from Cameroon and Sri Lankan peoples.
Okay.
Some inquiries there.
Right, sir. Right. Thank you so much, Vishnu, sir. Okay. Thank you.